Hi guys, welcome back to another quick video. Today's video is a bit different. I'm just going to share with you one of the pairs that I am looking at, which is gold. This video is not in any way a trading signal. I don't do trading signals. I don't provide trading signals. And whatever decision that you're going to make from this video, understand that it's all on you. Don't come to me and say, I took your idea and I lost some money. So yeah, it's just a trade idea. You can take it or leave it, but just consider it as entertainment. So the reason that I've been quiet as well is I told you in one of the videos of this year that I'm actually focusing on a master's degree, so that's why I haven't been coming so much on the channel. But it doesn't mean that I'm not trading. I'm actually trading, and one of the pairs that I'm watching today is a Monday is actually gold. Why am I watching gold? Because gold is at a zone where it's most likely to give me a good trade from here. For example, if let's see if we can just zoom in like that. Maybe better idea. Maybe we should zoom back out. So if you see where we are currently, this is on the daily time frame. This is on the daily time frame. So this is the start of the new week. The candle color is still red, but don't worry too much about that. For now, we're on the daily time frame. You can see what we usually do when we come to this zone. So this is what we do. We have been here before. We have been here before. We've been here before. We actually have been here in this range before. So what does this mean? It means I am watching this pair to see if we have enough momentum to I've not even looked at the DXY. I've not even looked at all other things. I'm just looking from top down, the potential that this trade has. There's a potential that we might actually pop out here. It's still Monday. I don't usually love to trade on Mondays. I want to see this candle close, then decide from tomorrow morning. If I see momentum pushing up, then I know I can confidently place a buy, and my first TP will be here. Then definitely my second TP will be there, but my important TPs are usually the first TPs. If we refuse to go back up there, then I definitely know that we are going to come to this one as my first TP, and this will be my second TP. As simple as that. I've not even added in anything about candlestick types, about moving averages, Fibonacci. I don't use most of that, by the way, Fibonacci's and stuff. So what I'm looking for is I'm usually looking for momentum out of these zones. I'm looking for momentum out of these zones. I told you in a previous video, that's all that I do. I'm waiting for price to come and test my zones here. You see what it did previously. So this is a zone of interest. So if, let's say, this week you probably don't have an idea of what to trade, you are not sure of what to trade, I'm hoping that I've given you something to think about. Don't rush into it blindly. And I've not told you whether to buy or to sell. The reason I've not told you whether to buy or sell is because I need price to get out of here, out of this zone, either going down here or pushing up there. Then we know the direction. In this scenario, we do nothing. I know people will be pressured to want to do something in this scenario. You just sit and chill and do nothing. If the trade is there, it's not there. Let the trades come to you. So this is what we have on the weekly. Let me just delete that. So that's what we have on the weekly. So on the weekly, again, you can see that it's a zone of interest. Really, it's a zone of interest. So maybe my bias will be on, we might actually see a retest to this side or actually push this side. But if we want to push this way, then we probably are going to retest it a bit. Retests do happen in the market, but they are not like given, they are not like guaranteed. Sometimes people don't take trades because they are hoping for a retest. Retests do happen, but there is no rule that says the market always has to retest. Sometimes it just breaks through, dances around here, and boom. Let's do that, and boom, it continues. So that's why I'm saying I'm still watching to see what happens here. The purpose of this video is just to give you an idea. Somebody who says, I don't know what to trade this week. Gold is at an interesting level. Gold is at an interesting level. You might catch a good trade going down here, and 1825 will be your good TP, or it might actually break through, and 1875 will be a good TP. Of course, there are no guarantees that prices will always come there, but they usually go there. I'm using usually go there because I'm trying to be politically correct. As you can see previously, it usually comes to this 1875 level, and it usually comes to this 1825 level. So yeah, we are kind of dancing around here. This is a bullish engulfing, so momentum might be on the upside. That's why, as I initially said, we might see a retest a bit before we go, but we might actually not see a retest. We might just go, or we might actually see this dropping down here. That's why I said don't rush into this. This is on the weekly time frame. This is not for scalping. This is not for scalping because it might take days to actually work out. It might take days to work out. It's good for people like me who do swing trading and who are able to hold trades for some time. So I'm hoping that this has sparked something in you. I have not even considered all the other things that you might want to think about, but this, I'm hoping that it gives you something to think about. Gold, if you don't have anything to trade this week, probably just upload gold on your chart and see if you can capture a good opportunity. This week we are also going to have some good news. There's going to be a lot of news, so just be careful of that as well. So yeah, leave your comments in the comment section below. Leave your ideas in the comment section below. If you are looking to download free forex robots, indicators, books and stuff like that, see also the links in the description box below. Otherwise guys, I will see you in the next one. Bye.